Hello viewers, today in this video I will explore the deals on Amazon.in Great Indian or Great Freedom Festival. It will start on 6th of August. The first deal that you can get on smartphone is iQOO G9 Lite 5G. This device you can buy under rupees 10,000 and it is a very good deal. If you want to grab this deal you can. Then there is next deal on iPhone 13. You can buy iPhone 13 at 47,999 rupees after bank offer, but I will suggest you not to buy this smartphone in 2024 because in Big Billion Days sale or Great Indian sale you can buy iPhone 15 at a price point of 50,000 to 52,000. So in this regard, iPhone 13 is not a value for money product in 2024. Then there is 13C 5G. This is a budget oriented device. If you have a tight budget and you want to buy a 5G smartphone under rupees 10,000, in that case you can buy this. Then there is Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G with the Snapdragon 888 version. Still, I would suggest you not to buy this smartphone by spending 25,000 rupees because this smartphone has great cameras, but the battery life of this smartphone is miserable. The 888 heats up too much and as a result of which the phone drains the battery very fast. Then there is Nord 4 5G. You can buy this at 28,000 rupees. I will suggest you to buy this smartphone only if you want a OnePlus phone. Otherwise there is nothing extraordinary in this smartphone that you have to spend 28,000 rupees and buy this smartphone. Then there is Nord CE4 Lite and at 17,000 you can get better deal on Flipkart and you can buy Moto G85 by spending 17,000. So in this regard also you should skip CE4 Lite. Then there is Narzo N61. This is a very good smartphone at the price it is available. So you can buy this if you have a tight budget of 7,000 rupees. Then there is M35 5G. This is a very good smartphone. You can get better cameras, a very good display, 6,000 mAh battery, but it has some drawbacks also, like it supports only 45 watt of charging. It supports only 25 watt of charging and the charger is not in the box, so you have to buy the charger separately and also you cannot charge the device quickly. So that's a drawback in 2024 according to me. Then there is HMD Crest. It will be available at 13,000 rupees. Don't buy this smartphone because the after sale service will be terrible. Then there is iQOO G9 S series. It is a future smartphone. It will be available on 21st of August, so there is no chance of buying this smartphone. Then there is Honor 200 at 30,000 rupees. Skip this smartphone. Then there is Labha X and it is a new budget oriented device and you will get curved display and also a very good camera. Only one camera is usable. So if you have a tight budget and you want a curved display, so in that case you can buy Labha Blaze X. Then there is Redmi 13. Skip this. OnePlus 12R. You can consider this if you want OnePlus phone. Then there is GT60. This is a very good smartphone with good chipset, good cameras and curved display, so you can consider this. Then there is iQOO G9 5G. Again very good smartphone with good processors. If you want to buy you can. Then there is OnePlus Nord CE4. Average, I would say. If you are a fan of OnePlus you can buy. Then there is iQOO Neo 9 Pro 5G. It will be a very good smartphone for gamers and also battery life will be very good. Then there is Realme Narzo 70 Pro. If you get this under 16,000 or 15 1500 rupees, only then you can consider this, otherwise skip this. Then there is iPhone 15. Actually iPhone 15, the deal on iPhone 15 is not very great. In normal scenario you can buy iPhone 15 at 67,000 rupees, but here you can see that you have to spend around 70,000 rupees to buy this iPhone 15, and then there is no other extraordinary deal that I can talk about. So these are the highlighted smartphones that you can buy in the upcoming Freedom Festival sale from Amazon. So let me know in the comment sections below which smartphone you are going to buy this season. So I would suggest you to wait for another 1 month or so, when you can buy the best smartphone and the best price, that is Big Billion Day sale or Amazon's Great Indian Sale. That will be the best deals of the year. So if you can wait, if you have no hurry of buying any smartphone, I would suggest you to stay calm and wait for few days. Hope this video has become helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.